Hi there, Girthy's Kitchen friends. Today, I'm bringing you a recipe that is definitely going to be the life of your holiday parties. Homemade Baileys. It's creamy, delicious, and the perfect drink to share during this special season. Ready to wow everyone at Christmas dinner? Let's get started, because this is going to be amazing. We'll start with the most important part. And no, it's not Santa's reindeer, it's the whiskey. That's right, a good splash of whiskey to give our mix some character. This is the foundation of our homemade Baileys, a base filled with holiday spirit, laughter, and long after-dinner conversations. This is where the liquid magic begins. Next, dissolve 1 tablespoon of instant coffee in 3/4 of a cup of warm water. This step is key because the coffee adds depth, aroma, and a lot of personality to the flavor. It's that secret touch that makes everyone ask, "What's in this that makes it taste so good?" and reach for another glass. Now, let's talk creaminess. Add 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk because we're not holding back today. We're here to indulge. Every sip should be smooth, sweet, and absolutely decadent. And of course, we can't forget the heavy cream, 200 milliliters to get that extra creamy texture that coats the palate. It's all about the details. Are you enjoying this? Well, hold on, because there's more. A few drops of vanilla extract for that warm, cozy, and very Christmassy feel. And naturally, we need the cocoa powder, a generous tablespoon to bring that chocolatey flavor that makes this taste exactly like Christmas, literally. And there you have it. Just mix everything well until all the ingredients blend perfectly into this festive liquid wonder. In just a few minutes, you've got homemade Baileys ready for any occasion, a holiday party, a family get-together, or just a treat for yourself. Now all that's left is to serve it, enjoy it, and share it with your loved ones. If you love Baileys, this recipe is definitely for you. Wow, what a showstopper. The creaminess is just perfect, and the flavor is incredible. It's the ideal way to toast and get into the holiday spirit from the very first sip. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it turns out. Don't forget to subscribe for more magical recipes like this one. Merry Christmas, see you in the next video, and as always, enjoy.